If you're looking for a town that feels straight out of the European Alps, but is tucked deep into the heart of the American Rockies, then this is it. Welcome to Ouray, Colorado, the one and only Switzerland of America. Getting here is half the fun. We rolled in on the famous $1 Million Highway and woke up to this. Seriously, how often does a hotel view look like this? We were staying in the Twin Peaks Lodge, and even the parking lot is mountain surrounded. The name says it all. Twin Peaks Lodge, a great spot especially after a long day in the mountains, which for us was all about the Ouray Jeep Jamboree. The town is a total 4x4 magnet. Everywhere you look, there are Jeeps lined up ready to tackle those high alpine passes. But Ouray isn't just for Jeeps. It's a great cycling town, but we decided to walk downtown, and the whole place has this charming preserved feel. Check out the houses, old and full of character, some sitting right up against these unbelievably steep mountain walls. Even the local tourists scream mountain town. Look at this open-air Jeep Gladiator. That's how you take in the views, which, by the way, are always the real star of the show here. It's like being in a natural amphitheater. You can't miss the history in this National Historic District, from big statues to beautiful old buildings like the Elks Lodge. It really feels like you've stepped back into a late 19th century boomtown. And then you have gems like the Beaumont Hotel, built back in 1886. Imagine the stories these walls could tell. That history is literally everywhere, right down to the unique little shops you find on the corner. The main street walk is pure gold. We saw cafes, shops, even an antique ore car turned planter, a cool nod to Ouray's mining past. You can grab a drink at the Ouray Brewery, find unique curiosities, or just soak up the views. Whether you're into high clearance 4x4s, tackling those 12,000 foot passes on a mountain bike, or even if you just want to relax your sore muscles in those sulfur-free hot springs, Ouray travel is an unforgettable American alpine adventure. What do you think? Is Ouray, Colorado going to be on your travel list? Let me know in the comments. For more adventures and DIY videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check me out on muddyruts.com. I'll see you out on the trail, and don't forget, on Muddy Ruts, the best is yet to come.